Good day everyone. I am here to discuss the effects of liquid free surface inside the tank or compartment to the vessel stability, and also known as the free surface effect. So first, what is free surface? Ang free surface ay yung ibabaw ng likido sa loob ng isang tangke na malayang gumagalaw kapag ang barko ay nagtitilt or magalaw. Now, bakit ito importante? So, kapag ang barko ay nag-hill or tumagilid, yung liquid sa loob ng tangke ay lumilipat sa mas mababang side dahil dito nagkakaroon ng additional movement na nakakapekto sa balance ng mga barko. This lead to what we call reduction of stability. Ibig sabihin, bumababa ang kakayahan ng barko na bumalik sa kanyang original na position. The ship becomes less stable and more prone to capsizing. So, for example, kung may partially filled tank, mas malaki ang epekto ng free surface dahil mas maraming space para gumalaw ang liquid. Pero kung fully filled or empty ang tank, mas maliit ang epekto. So, what are the effects of free surface? So, first is if reduced metacentric height or GM. Second is it decreases stability. And the last one is it can increase the risk of capsizing. So how to prevent this? So keep tanks either full or empty. Use division or blockades para mabawasan ang galaw ng liquid. And the last is proper loading and ballast management. So the free surface effect is very important because it directly affects the safety and the stability of the vessel. Proper handling of liquid inside the tank can help prevent accident at sea. And that's all for my report. Thank you.